Welcome to a delightful journey into the world of squirrels, the small, charismatic creatures that often go unnoticed in our busy lives. In this 10-minute documentary, we'll unveil the remarkable and lesser-known aspects of these furry acrobats that will leave you with a newfound appreciation for their existence. Squirrels are more diverse than you might think. There are over 200 species of squirrels, each with unique features and adaptations. From the tree-dwelling gray squirrel to the ground-dwelling prairie dog, the squirrel family tree is truly diverse. Squirrels are natural-born acrobats, and their arboreal lifestyle is a testament to their agility. Did you know that squirrels can leap up to 10 times their body length? Their incredible athleticism enables them to navigate the treetops with grace and ease. Squirrels may be small, but they're far from simple-minded. These clever creatures have adapted to various environments and developed ingenious methods for problem-solving. We'll explore their remarkable intelligence and resourcefulness in the wild. Squirrel nests, known as drays, are architectural wonders. Built high in the treetops, these cozy structures offer protection from predators and the elements. Discover the intricate process of dray construction and the surprising material squirrels use. Squirrels play a vital role in their ecosystems as nature's gardeners. They bury nuts and seeds for later consumption, but often forget where they've hidden them. This unintentional act of planting helps forests regenerate and flourish. Contrary to their often solitary appearances, squirrels are social animals with complex relationships. We'll delve into their intricate social structures, from territorial disputes to communal grooming rituals. Squirrels communicate using a repertoire of vocalizations, tail movements, and even scent marking. Their intricate language allows them to convey information about food, danger, and social status to their fellow squirrels. Life in the wild can be challenging, and squirrels have developed a range of strategies to survive. From their ability to adapt to changing seasons to their keen senses that detect approaching predators, they are true masters of survival. As our journey through the world of squirrels comes to an end, we hope you've gained a deeper understanding and appreciation for these remarkable creatures. Their lives are filled with astonishing feats and charming behaviors, reminding us of the wonders of the natural world that often lie right outside our window. Join us again as we continue to explore the hidden marvels of the animal kingdom. Until then, take a moment to observe the squirrels in your neighborhood and witness the magic they bring to our everyday lives.